Hi, I'm Dr. Heavenly, your digital mentor teacher, and I want to talk to you about our mentoring program. In this video, I'll share our framework for success. I've been a successful teacher, mentor, instructional coach, and district assessment leader, and I want to share my expertise and help you become an influential educator. Let's get into it. Great teaching just doesn't happen by chance. It happens when teachers are supported with the right guidance, the right tools, and the right leadership structures. And that's what this framework delivers. We build student mastery when we know how to implement success criteria structures, rigorous instruction, curriculum planning, and assessment for learning with data-informed decisions. When we get clarity about this, students gain confidence and excel. Hi, I just wanted to come on and tell you about our next webinar, Success Criteria for Immediate Classroom Impact. So in this next webinar, you will get so many good instructional strategies to use in your classroom. So check out the Eventbrite link, show notes, and sign up for our webinar on January 31st. You'll be glad you did. Thank you. Stay inspired. Arm 2 of my framework is the instructor infrastructure. This is the system on the side of teaching. It's where I can streamline my data systems, rigor resources, and planning resources so I don't get overwhelmed by tools. I'm empowered by the tools, and we help you figure this out, how to set up your instructor infrastructure. The third arm of this framework is impact and influence. That's the teacher leadership dimension. We cultivate learning community leadership, meeting protocols, collaborative planning structures, and data inquiry routines that ensure a sustainable school-wide improvement because the principal, the assistant principal, the instructional coach have someone to distribute leadership to in their building because they've been through the digital mentor teacher framework. If you're ready to strengthen instruction, elevate teacher leadership, and transform your school's professional culture, let's talk. Please give me a call. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share this video with other educators. Contact me if you'd like to talk about digital mentoring or any of my services on our website you can find in the show notes below. Thank you. Stay inspired.